And what is the word, my guys? I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Listen, I ain't gonna lie. That's where we at right now. We is currently, you know what I'm saying, and damn near Charlotte, you know what I'm saying, North Carolina, you feel me? I ain't count getting gas. Y'all know how it is. I always, you know what I'm saying? I'm always, you know what I'm saying, at a gas station every time I start off a video. But I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Listen, this video ain't gonna be nothing too crazy. It's gonna be me, you know what I'm saying, driving my, you know what I'm saying, you know, my little Chrysler, baby. You feel me? My Chrysler, baby. To be honest with you, we going to Atlanta, you feel me? No cap. So, like, we about to, you know what I'm saying, see what it is, you feel me? I ain't gonna cap. Me personally, kind of scared, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know the YNs live out there. That's where the YNs originated and shit like that. And I am not trying, you know what I'm saying, fuck around and, you know what I'm saying, get my baby, you know what I'm saying? Damn, I think so. I'm trying to get my baby, you know what I'm saying, took, you feel me? I am not trying to get my baby took. I'm be pissed, you know what I'm saying, if it get touched. But I ain't even gonna speak to this, you feel me? It's chilling. But y'all know I ain't been out, you know what I'm saying? I ain't been traveling to any other place other than Florida and Virginia, you know what I'm saying, lately. So, you know, I gotta put it inside the video too of me going, I'm saying, yeah, facts, you know what I'm saying? So that's what we about to do. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't about to talk too much, I ain't about to yet, but we going on 38th Street, you feel me? I'm saying, I don't know what they be on right now. And what, 40, look, 40 to fill the tank up, it's crazy. I ain't gonna lie, y'all tune in with me, you know what I'm saying, tapping with me, you know what I'm saying, throughout this journey, you feel me? Going on this 30-day facts, you know what I'm saying, we is lit, you know what I'm saying, yeah. No one had to get his axe keys. Oh, gang, y'all want some? Here, try some. Try some of that. Try some of that. I'm gonna give you some fries. You want some fries too? Everybody try some of that fry. Alright, eat it. Dang, y'all fucked that shit up. No, hungry as I don't know what. Y'all tripping. Y'all tripping, bro. Y'all tripping. Hey, this for me though. I ain't lie, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. I look at his state. Don't mind me, bro. Like, bro, I don't care. I feel like I just need a little shape up, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? A little trim. For me now, I look good, you feel me? But it's just like with my hair growing out like this, all on the sides and stuff like that, I be looking crazy. But listen, we made it to Atlanta, you feel me? You know, yeah. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna lie. It's cool so far. It's cool. Like, you know what I'm saying? It look cool. The city look nice, you feel me? I ain't gonna lie. We got to the B&B just now. I might give y'all a little B&B tour and everything. To be honest with you, I do got a garage too, but I'm scared, bro. Still. Oh, man, you know how these garages ain't really secure. Feel me? You know what I'm saying? That's the only thing I'd be worried about, bro, to be honest with you. But I know it's gonna be good though. So, it's all good. I ain't tripping about it. You feel me? Let's start my baby up. See how he sound. I just moved my car from this spot to that little corner. To be honest, cause forget that. I needed to be inside the cut. Facts. No yappity. Yo, what is good, y'all? I ain't gonna lie, you know what I'm saying? Your old base tape back, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Early in the morning. I don't know what day it is, but hey, I'm gonna stop with them days because I don't be saying days right anyway. To be honest with you, I'm about to head to the whip because I got my camera charger. I ain't charging my camera up all night, you feel me? And my junk flashing right now, facts. Bro, it's 40-something degrees outside. Somebody jump freeze. Let me see my baby's there? Yes, she's here. I'm on my car right here on game. But it's freezing, bro, I ain't gonna lie. I'm about to jump shivering cold and on game. That's down, I ain't gonna lie, I'm saying. I tried some of this already, it's on good, I ain't gonna lie. Like, why he gonna cut it from me like that, twin? Like, his ass tripping, bro. Like, bro, knowing I was, you know what I'm saying, yeah, getting that bit, you know what I'm saying, trapped like that, twin, like, for real, like, real Atlanta shit, you feel me? Like, you know what I'm saying, you know, niggas, you know what I'm saying, Nigga don't know, like, for real, for like, I'm really a native and shit like that. You feel me? Like, twin. Stop playing with no twin. I popped out real trim today. You feel me? Okay, so I'm about to see if they got their things still on sale. Listen, if y'all know what I'm saying. See these, you know what I'm saying? Once y'all look at these, y'all know, you feel me? No yappity, but they ain't even got the ones I need. Facts. Last time I came here, look. Last time I came here, they had the 400 one. 400 count. Oh, there it go right here. 25. No cappity. Now let's see if they on sale. Oh, yeah, these regular ones. I need the colorful one. Yeah. I'm scared of getting blue though. You feel me? So they had said that the sale was only for last week, so I'm late. Ball, no cap. Now I'm about to 25. Listen. Now I'm about to spend $25 on that thing. You feel me? Back. And I just bought some new jeans too, popping out trim. You know what I'm saying? Twin, straight popping out trim. Stop playing. Tight shit. Ain't gonna lie, they tripping. Y'all know me. You know what I'm saying? I used to get my socks from the gas station, you feel me? These prices is crazy. My socks used to be $6. I ain't gonna lie. She got me here. You know what I'm saying? Getting these now, you feel me? And I'm pretty sure, I don't know if they got them at the gas station over here. But, you know what I'm saying? We gonna see facts. You know what I'm saying? Facts. Look, listen, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to do this pull for y'all, man. I ain't gonna lie. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm scared, but. I ain't gonna cap, you know what I'm saying? We just out the trenches right now. Listen, we had to play. If y'all from Atlanta, y'all probably know about this place right here. They call it the Bando right here. Right, so look. You know what I'm saying? We inside the jump, right? I got my Dior's on and stuff like that. She got off whites, right? Oh no, yeah. She changed. She got dunks on. She got.
But I have a bait bag.
She got a bait bag, all type of shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. People out there jump staring. Like we in the trenches. Like I forgot we ain't from here. We don't know where we at. I don't know. Let me look at see what side of Atlanta we on. Let me look at the map. We on the west side.
We're by the West End Mall.
We on the west side of Atlanta. Oh, her ass.
Baby be talking about the West End Mall. About the American Bully.
Oh, her ass got me on the west side. By East Point. Oh no. I mean, I didn't record for the video, but it's the food though. You feel me? From the band though. Y'all wanna come here, y'all come here. Facts. You know what I'm saying? That be good.
What do you rate it? 10 out of 10. I'll give it a 10. That shit was fire. The cracked wings was fire.
Niggas was staring at me and shit like that, trying to take.
Okay, I'm talking about the food though. These lemon pepper, honey lemon pepper wings are really like the lemon pepper is strong. Oh.
Man, hey look, listen, stop playing with them. You feel me? We out in the city right now. Facts, you know what I'm saying? Twin real Atlanta shit. Show them the city real quick. I'm saying, hey, I ain't got what it really is, you feel me? I'm about to show what it really is, you feel me? Hold on. Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey, you cat that bitch. Hey, listen. The city look beautiful, bro. I ain't gonna cap. Hey, to be honest with you, it might be like, you know what I'm saying? Hey, look, listen, put it on me real quick. It gets to a point, you feel me? It might be like, you know what I'm saying, Houston, compared to Houston, it gets to a point. We hit that bitch for y'all. Oh, shit. Oh. Let me know. Oh, gang, hold up. Oh, no. Say what's good. Dang, y'all ain't gonna show me no love like that? That's crazy. Y'all ain't gonna show me no love.